198. The 4-axis drone adopts a new brushless motor, which has more powerful flight. The drone uses GPS precise positioning system, equipped with high-precision gyroscope, and positioning is more precise. 1080-pixel high-definition camera, 5G Wi-Fi signal, HD transmission, real-time capture every wonderful moment, intelligent following function, liberating your hands, 360-degree interest points around, easy to shoot to cool blockbuster, waypoint flight. When you click somewhere, it will fly to where. No need to worry about the control course. Low power return is safer, and one-button return is more convenient. Matters need attention. Operation demo. Product list display. Preparation before flight. Insert the battery into the fuselage. Tighten and lock the battery clockwise. Start the drone. Turn on the remote control switch. Emit a drop and a frequency is successful. Calibrated gyroscope. Geomagnetic operation. The left rocker to the upper left corner. The right remote control to the lower right corner at the same time. Push to the button. 5 seconds later, the drone indicator flashes. Release the remote control. Indicator light to restore slow flashing. Calibration success. Push the left rocker to the lower left corner. The right rocker to the upper right corner to the button. The lights flashed on the plane. The plane turned clockwise and horizontally 3 times. When the plane vertical battery cover up, clockwise turn 3 times. The drone lights turned into normal flashing. Correction completed. Search GPS. When the light of the drone is slowly flashing, the GPS signal is started to search. After the search is completed, the light of the drone is always bright. The search time is about 50 seconds. UAV unlocking. The left and right remote poles of the remote controller are pulled outward or inward at the same time. At this time, the 4-blaze remote at the same time, and the lock is unlocked successfully. Basic manipulation. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Ascending. Descending. Left turning. Right turning. Forward. Backward. Left flying. Right flying. Double gear switch switching. Headless mode. Normal mode. GPS mode. The drone boot default to GPS mode. In indoor flight, can switch to normal mode. Low power return. When the 4 lights at the bottom of the drone start to flicker, indicating that the drone is not enough power, the drone will return automatically. When the remote control signal and the drone are disconnected, the drone will automatically return. 1 key return. Press the key to return. Remote control emit DD sound. The drone at a minimum altitude of 10 meters or so to return to the takeoff point. In the process of return, if encounter obstacles, you can use remote control drone to avoid obstacles. Connect Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code on the instruction to download and install the software. Apple system scans iOS QR code. Android scans Google QR code. Enter the mobile phone setting options. Open the wireless network, search for the device, connect. Connect successfully. Exit the settings options. Open and enter the app. This version supports mobile phone 5 signal, iPhone iOS 8.0 or above, Android 6.0 or above. Photo recording function. Photo key, short press photo. Video key, short press video. Trajectory flight. Enter the app interface. Click on the trajectory flight icon. First, enlarge the map. Draw the trajectory point. Click on the send icon. The drone will start from the initial point to the first point of the trajectory, and then in order to fly point by point. Intelligent follow. Click on the intelligent following icon. The drone to the current location to the operator's mobile phone distance as a benchmark for intelligent following. Interest the points around. First, enlarge the map. Click on the surround icon. Set the surround center point. Set the surround parameters, and then click on the send icon. The drone will fly to the center point to set the parameters for the surround flight. Finally, when the drone lands, it needs to pull out the battery to prevent battery damage. Drone blade installation. Insert the distribution screwdriver into the air blade cover hole. Rotate and unscrew the air blade cover. Take out the air blade. Replace the corresponding A, B wing blade. Put in the air blade. Cover the air blade cover. Rotate and tighten the air blade cover. Battery replacement and charging. Unlock the battery counterclockwise, take out the battery, insert the new battery into the fuselage, rotate clockwise, lock the battery. Connect one end of the USB charging wire to the battery charging socket and insert the other end into the USB power adapter. When the power is full, the red light and green light are always on.